Good morning. On behalf of Poetry Central, we are going to share poems with our beloved viewers. Now, my friend and the chief editor, Indrajit Bose, has come up with this novel idea. And at this time, at this point of time, when we are globally suffering from a pandemic, where the human existence is being questioned, poetry is the thing, I think, which sustains us, which echoes us, which inspires us. And we have been thinking a lot, I think, we and our friends, about Dover Beach, about Anne Frank, about Camus in this time of plague and pestilence and fear and disorientation. But I think the poet who is closest to our heart is our very own Rabindranath Tagore, a poet whom we have studied, read, honored from our very childhood days, and whom we can still turn to for inspiration. So the poem that I have chosen is Where the Mind is Without Fear. This, I think, is a poem which is eternal. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. India has a very vital role to play. India has been offering its Sanjeevani, its medicines, to the rest of the world. India, with its healthcare, with its very caring nature, its benign nature, is helping itself, is helping others. Dear God, dear Lord, let us all fight and face this together. Thank you, my friends.